Toklimo kajot majaten pinyi bwero Nairobi jitelmo ke gwenge ma Kisii koro neno lemo tokten dul mar KeNHA gi KURRA mole county neno chal magapaya kagiloso kod jofwambe pautuke magusi kotelo kod governor county no Simbarati apaya mok daraja 2 kochomo daraja 1 flyover en achiel kuom apaya mowinjore losi gedo mag apeyini e county no giro ni biro yawo thuolo mag tije kaachiel gi keto yore makare mag jowuoth kaachiel gi johala tero mwandu mag gichiro e counties ma Kisii kod Nyamira.
We want to shame the devil because they are talking of a lot of things around. Oh, it's just a promise. We want to make it a reality. And I'm happy that the top most leadership of the ministry, they are here. Therefore, for our people, we're going to work. We will continue going to State House if there is more work to be done. If there is more money, we'll go. Because finally you'll ask us, what did you do when others were getting into all these projects?
We are now adding an additional 5 kilometers. We have seen part of the roads as the governor has seen. And don't tell the governor, the dream is a reality now. For us, we have been instructed to come down here, scope the works, do the designs. We take back to our CS. We are going to be funded and start work.
This is a directive from the president that we need to sort out the congestion within this town. So, tumekuja hapa siku ya leo, tuangalie wenyewe. Tuangalie so that tukiwa Nairobi tayari tuko na ile picha ambayo tunafaa kufanya ili tusuluhishe mambo ya congestion kwa hii town.
Jagoro mgiyore migawo mathieth omoluga